Okay, we're looking at solving in quadratics. You've seen all these methods before, all right? They're just possibly a little bit trickier questions, but not a lot. Now then, first of all, we got to make this equal to 0 before I do anything, all right? So that's 4a squared minus 5a minus 6 equals 0. Now I use a table where I go 4a squared minus 5a minus 6. There are various different methods. I then use trial and improvement. I'm either going to use 2a and 2a, or I'm going to use 4a and 1. I know that the answer is 4a and 1a, and then I know that it's plus 3 and minus 2, and I'll show you how that works. There it goes there, and they add to make your minus 5a. But there's lots of different methods. I haven't got time to go through them all, so therefore I'll let you choose. That should be a, not x. So we end up with 4a plus 3 and a minus 2 equals 0. I haven't got room for the equals 0, unfortunately. So a equals minus 3/4 and 2. So there you go. Like I say, for this bit, okay, there's lots of different methods. Using a table's quite a nice one, I think. There are other videos for this, so do look them up if you need to. Right, next one, I'm going to change colour. Okay, also need to rearrange it to, plus 12 equals 0 to make it equal to 0. Got to do that. I'm then going to complete the square because it tells me to complete the square. So here we go. Minus 5 squared minus 25 plus 12 equals 0. I'm then going to get simplify and put this bit over on the other side. So we get n minus 5 all squared equals 13. I'm then going to get n, I'm doing a couple of steps at once, equals plus or minus the square root of 13. Stick that in your calculator if you like. I'm not going to, but yeah, there's where your two answers come from. Now then, final one. Shall I do this in red again? I'll do it in red again. Now, when you do this, it's the denominator. This is the bit that's a little bit harder, I would say. Okay, so I'm going to multiply through by x minus 5 and x plus 3, and I'm going to get this. So we're going to get 3 x plus 3 plus 2 lots of x minus 5 x plus 3 equals 4 lots of x minus 5. Okay, so all I've done is multiply through by the denominators. Okay, so here we go, 3x plus 9 plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 15. Actually, I'm going to bring that over the other side, minus 4x plus 20 equals 0. Now then, when I multiply out that second bracket with the x squareds and then simplify, I'm going to end up with 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 equals 0. And to be honest, the easiest way of doing that is by using the quadratic formula. So I'm going to get 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 1 all over 2 times 2, which gives me, what was it? It was, when I simplify, 5 plus or minus the square root, I think, of 33 over 4. Again, feel free to stick it in your calculator to find out what x equals. All right, but there you go. It's all stuff you've seen before. You've just got to apply it to slightly worse looking questions. That's essentially all it is. All right, enjoy.